Okay, today I want to talk to you about how to set up the skill scoring test. And there are a few tools that you're going to need before we start. And one of them is you're going to need the skill scoring sheet. And all you do is download that. If you'll look on the assignments page at the very top of the assignments, it's got the skill scoring sheet. So download that and bring it to the golf course with you. Number two, you might want to download the instructions on how to actually do the skill scoring test. It's pretty simple. I'm going to demonstrate here in a minute. So bring these two with you. Okay, once you've got those two, you're ready to head off to the golf course. There's a few things you're going to need when you come to the course. You're going to need a golf tee. We're going to set this tee 20 feet from the hole, and I've already measured off this distance here, so that tee right there measures 20 feet, and when you take this skills test, you're going to be putting from 20 feet. You're going to need 10 golf balls. So I happen to bring 10 golf balls with me. So you're going to set the 10 balls down here next to the tee. Ready right there. Obviously, you're going to need a putter when you take the skills test, so we've got the putter ready. Now what I want you to do is behind the hole, we're going to set up a box, and we're going to put a driver behind the hole and 2 irons. So follow me up here and I'll show you how I'd like this done. From the tee to the hole is 20 feet. We're going to put the driver, the longest club in the bag, 3 feet behind the hole. And then we're going to take 2 short irons, pitching wedge or 9 iron, something like that, and put those in this fashion right here. So if you'll see, when we putt, you're going to be putting into a box. So we've got club down both sides and one driver at the back of the box. So let's go do a few putts and I'll show you how you score. Each time you putt, you've got 10 trials. Each time you putt, you're going to put down a score. You're either going to score a 0, a 1, or a 2. If you make it in the hole, 2 points. That's the goal. If you hit a putt that stays inside the box but doesn't touch any of the clubs, it's got to reach the hole, that's 1 point. Anything else short of the hole, right or left of the clubs, or hits the clubs is no points. So let me putt a couple and let's see what happens here. Okay, now that ball went in the square. Let's go up and take a look at it real quick. That ball went in the square. It reached past the hole and stayed in the box. That's 1 point. If I had putted one up and it hits the club, no points. If it's outside of the club, no points. And let me put a couple more. Let's see how we do. Okay, that's another one that's in. That's also a point. While you're doing this, just a point of note, you're going to have your proctor out here with you. Each time you putt, remove the ball from the square so it's not in the way. So they'll be standing up here grading you, and they'll pitch that ball out of the way. On your skills scoring sheet, let me show you one more thing. You have 3 trials. You're going to hit 10 balls in a row, add your score up. Hit 10 balls again, add your score up. And the 3rd trial, hit 10 balls in a row and add your score up. And because I'm a nice guy, you get the best score of the 3. So do this 3 times. Let me putt one more, and then we'll be done with this. Okay, let me add one thing at the end of the video here. Why do we do this skills test? The reason we do this is we want to teach you to learn to be able to reach the hole when you putt. That's why if your putt is short of the hole, it doesn't count for any points. So you want to reach the hole. The reason you reach the hole is that's the only way you can make the putt. So you want to learn to get the ball to the hole, not too far right or left, and not too long. Okay, thanks.